If you drive a BMW, pay close attention. There's a major recall affecting over 87,000 vehicles in the US. This isn't just another routine service notice. It's a significant alert that could impact your safety and the safety of those around you. BMW, a brand known for its engineering excellence and luxury, is now facing a challenge that no driver can afford to ignore. Whether you've owned your BMW for years or just recently purchased one, this recall could directly affect you or someone you know. This isn't a minor issue. It's a serious safety concern that demands immediate action. Even top car brands like BMW can face manufacturing problems that put drivers at risk. The defect at the heart of this recall could potentially lead to dangerous situations on the road, making it crucial for every BMW owner to stay informed and take the necessary steps. Ignoring this recall could have real consequences, so it's important to understand what's at stake. The recall, announced by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, highlights a widespread problem BMW is now working to fix. We'll break down what's wrong, which models are affected, and what you need to do next. The NHTSA's involvement means this isn't just a brand issue, it's a national safety concern. If you're wondering whether your vehicle is on the list, we'll help you find out and guide you through the process of checking your VIN and scheduling repairs. Don't panic, but don't ignore this. Being proactive is essential for your safety. We'll explain the defect, the risks, and how BMW is handling repairs at no cost to you. The company is reaching out to affected owners, and dealerships are prepared to make the necessary fixes. Taking action now can prevent bigger problems down the road and give you peace of mind every time you get behind the wheel. Whether you're a car enthusiast who loves every detail of your BMW, or just a daily commuter relying on your car to get you safely from point A to point B, this is information you need. We'll cover which models are involved, the nature of the defect, and how to get your free fix. Don't let uncertainty put your safety at risk. Knowledge is your best defense. Let's make sure you have the facts to keep yourself and your loved ones safe. Stay with us as we walk you through everything you need to know about this recall, so you can drive with confidence and protect what matters most. The root of this recall is a defect in the engine starter, a small but crucial part that gets your car running. The starter motor is responsible for turning over the engine and bringing it to life every time you press the ignition. While it may seem like a minor component, its reliability is essential for safe and smooth operation. In these BMWs, the starter can overheat unexpectedly, even when the car is parked and off. This means that the risk isn't limited to when you're driving. The problem can occur at any time, even in your garage or driveway, catching owners completely off guard. Overheating can damage wiring and, most dangerously, start a fire in the engine bay. The intense heat can melt insulation, expose live wires, and create a chain reaction that quickly escalates into a hazardous situation. This isn't just a technical glitch, it's a real fire risk that can threaten property and lives. A fire in the engine bay can spread rapidly, endangering not only the vehicle but also nearby structures and people. The issue likely stems from a faulty batch of parts or a design flaw discovered after thousands of cars hit the road. Sometimes, these problems only become apparent after real-world use, when patterns of failure start to emerge across multiple vehicles. Once BMW confirmed the pattern, they had to act, reporting the defect and launching a recall to prevent harm. Automakers are required by law to notify authorities and customers when a safety risk is identified, and BMW moved quickly to address the issue. The goal? Fix the problem before it causes a fire. By replacing or repairing the faulty starter motors, BMW aims to eliminate the risk and restore confidence for their customers. That's why this recall is so urgent. It's not just about fixing a part, it's about protecting people, preventing property loss, and ensuring that every BMW on the road is as safe as it should be. This recall was officially announced by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, on February 7, 2026. When NHTSA issues a recall, it means there's a real safety risk. The agency's public announcement ensures owners get accurate, verified information fast. BMW's internal investigation found the defect, then reported it to NHTSA, triggering a formal review and recall process. Now, owners can check their car's status using the NHTSA website and their vehicle identification number, or VIN. BMW will also notify affected owners by mail, as required by law. This multi-channel approach ensures the message reaches everyone at risk. Don't rely on rumors. Use official sources to check your car. The recall campaign is now underway. Wondering if your BMW is affected? The recall targets specific models and years, mostly popular sedans and SUVs built during a certain period. It's not every BMW, but a significant number share the faulty starter. The best way to know for sure? Check your VIN. Find it on your dashboard, door jamb, registration, or insurance. Enter your VIN at NHTSA.gov, recalls, or BMW's website for a definitive answer. BMW will also mail recall notices to registered owners. If you've moved or bought a used BMW, check online. Don't wait for a letter. Be proactive. Verify your car's status today. It's the fastest way to get peace of mind. Here's why this matters. A faulty starter isn't just an inconvenience. When it malfunctions, it can overheat rapidly, drawing far more electrical current than it should. This surge of electricity generates intense heat in just a few seconds, far beyond what the surrounding components are designed to handle. The risk is not just theoretical. It's a real and present danger in any vehicle with a defective starter. The starter is located deep within the engine bay, surrounded on all sides by materials that can easily catch fire: plastic covers, rubber hoses, and bundles of electrical wiring. These components are essential for your car's operation, but they're also highly flammable. If the starter overheats, it can melt its own casing and the wires connected to it. This can quickly lead to sparks or even open flames, igniting a fire that spreads through the engine bay in moments, causing catastrophic damage. What's truly alarming is that these fires can start at any time, while you're driving, when the car is parked, or even hours after you've turned off the engine and walked away. The risk doesn't end when you leave your vehicle. Often there's no warning at all. You might not see smoke, smell anything unusual, or hear any strange noises. The danger can appear suddenly, catching drivers and families completely off guard. Imagine coming home, parking your car in your garage, and hours later, a fire starts without any sign. The consequences can be devastating, not just for your car, but for your home and everyone inside. This isn't just about the loss of a vehicle. It's about the safety of your family, your neighbors, and your property. A single faulty starter can put entire households at risk. If you ever notice burning smells, see smoke, or have trouble starting your car, don't ignore it. Contact your dealer or a trusted mechanic immediately to have your vehicle inspected. But remember, sometimes the defect gives no warning at all. Even if everything seems normal, the risk can still be present, hidden beneath the surface. The only real solution is to replace the faulty starter with a new, safe component. Don't take chances with your safety. Address the issue as soon as possible. The solution is simple. BMW will replace the defective starter in every affected car, free of charge. All costs, including parts and labor, are covered by BMW as required by law. Dealers will install a new, safe starter that eliminates the fire risk. You'll get an official letter with instructions to schedule your repair at an authorized BMW service center. Wait for your notice or check online before heading to the dealer, as parts distribution takes time. The repair usually takes a few hours, and many dealers offer loaner cars or shuttles for your convenience. BMW's goal is to make this process smooth and hassle-free. Don't delay. Get your free fix as soon as you're notified. Your safety is the top priority. Think your BMW might be recalled? Here's what to do. First, find your VIN on the dashboard, door jamb, or your paperwork. Go to NHTSA.gov or BMW's website and enter your VIN to check recall status. If your car is affected, watch for an official recall letter. Meanwhile, Stay alert for burning smells, smoke, or starter trouble. Contact your dealer if you notice anything unusual. As a precaution, park outside and away from buildings until the repair is done. Once you get your notice or confirm online, call your BMW dealer to schedule the free repair. Ask about loaner vehicles if you need transportation. Follow these steps to get your car fixed quickly and safely. It's free, straightforward, and protects you and your family. This BMW recall is a reminder for all car owners. Check for recalls regularly, no matter what you drive. Make it a habit. Twice a year, visit NHTSA.gov and enter your VIN. Keep your registration and address up to date so you don't miss important notices. If you get a recall letter, act fast. Don't put it off. Some defects, like this one, can be dangerous even when the car is parked. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, get your car checked. Report any suspected safety defects to NHTSA. They rely on consumer reports to spot trends. Staying informed and proactive keeps you and others safe. Don't gamble with your safety. Respond to recalls right away. Recalls may be alarming, but they show the safety system is working. Automakers and regulators are watching for problems and acting to protect you. A recall is a manufacturer's way of fixing mistakes and honoring your trust. In this case, BMW is replacing 87,000 starters to prevent fires and protect lives. Recalls drive improvements. Engineers learn from defects to make future cars safer. Your participation helps make the whole system better. The recall process empowers you with information and a free fix. By acting, you protect yourself, your family, and everyone on the road. Stay informed, respond quickly, and help keep our roads safe for all.